Hello students, class 10 students will discuss today. Will discuss what about probability, chapter probability. The probability chapter class 10 students, CBSE, ICC, both students can understand this one. Okay, and this is also a topic for them both. CBSE, ICC, both for both of them. You can do this. Also, you can understand this one. Okay, because it is in your syllabus, right? Let us start. So probability chart. Probability. The probability means what? Probability means what? That is a probability means a certainty, possibility, chances, like that. Okay. From the beginning, I'll teach this topic with an example. So this is an example. Suppose one coin. This is suppose one coin. You got here one coin, one coin. So one toss. One toss, one coin, one toss. So one coin means either head or tail. Okay, either tail or head or tail. So this is tail stands for T and head stands for H. So if we put a coin and that coin has two outcomes. That is only head and tail. So it will come tail or head. Okay, if we put one time toss. Clear? When you put one time toss, you will get head or tail. যেতବେଳେ তুমি থরে পড়িবো তাহলে কোন হবে তুমি গোটে হেড কিংবা গোটে টেল পাইবো ক্লিয়ার সো নাও ইফ ইউ টু টস two toss so either tail or head or head tail or tail head okay HH TT TH HT understood two times so first time tail second time twice first head or tail second time head or tail so this is one coin two times so two times either both time tail or both time head or one time tail one time head or two time head. So this one is exactly one coin two times this is one coin this is one coin two times or two coin one times two coin one toss. So this is also same thing happen. HH, HT, TH. So that means two coins at a time you will toss. Tail, head, tail, H, head, tail, tail. So like that it will happen. Okay, dita coin ko thare papadile at a time dita coin thare padibo. तो कौन होगा देखियो गोटाकर हेड गोटाकर टेल हाँ चांसेस इज देयर किंबा एच टी किंबा टी एच और टी टी और एच एच लाइक दैट सो दिस टाइप विल हैपन सो दीज आर व्हाट आर these are the outcomes but I will ask you probability P probability of at least one head so this at least one head this information this is one event the probability of one event the probability of an event that is equal to what favorable outcomes by total outcomes favorable outcomes by total outcomes okay so favorable outcomes by total outcomes the favorable outcomes the probability of at least one head the probability of at least one head that is equal to what this is equal to favorable outcomes how many favorable outcomes at least one head okay this one at least one head this one at least one head this one okay at least one head डबल हेड चलेगा लेकिन एटलीस्ट वन हेड अगर कोई भी हेड नहीं तो नहीं चलेगा अंडरस्टूड दैट मींस टी टी इज नॉट पॉसिबल दिस वन करेक्ट बट टी टी दिस वन इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज वी नीड एटलीस्ट वन हेड सो द चांसेस इज 3 so 3 out of total outcomes what tt ht tt then HT, TH, HH. Clear? This is your total outcomes. This is your favorable outcomes. What you need? The total favorable outcomes is 3. Total outcomes is 4. So finally 3 by 4. Clear? So at least one hair you will get 3 by 4. So probability of at least one hair, that is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, the probability of at least one tail, that is equal to TH, HT, TT, but this one is correct, but HH is not possible. HH is not possible because probability of at least one tail, only one tail, गोटे टेल चलो, दीटा चलो, दीटा एटलिस्ट गोटे कम से कम गोटे हवा दरकार, दीटा रे भलो किछ असुविधा नहीं, किंतु जमा न होले होबनी एटलिस्ट वन टेल और एटलिस्ट वन, राइट? तो दिस वन इज करेक्ट. ये सगला तो ये और एग्जांपल यूज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस पार्ट. सेकंड पार्ट आई विल डिस्कस वन मोर एग्जांपल. ओके, लुक एट द बोर्ड. जस्ट आई एम चेकिंग. ओके, इट्स कमिंग हियर. यस. Like that, one more example I am giving here. Playing cards. Okay, the playing cards. Playing cards. Right? The playing cards. Suppose this is your, this is your what? And this one is what? And this one is what? And this one is your what? Heart, club, spade, diamond. This type of cards, So in this card, is it visible? What is visible card? Clearly? Okay. So this is heart. So this heart is starting from A, K, Q, Z, 10, 9, 8, up to 2. Clear? Total 13 cards. Like that, this one also A, K, Q, Z, 10, 9, up to 2. That is equal to 13 cards. Similarly, A, K, Q, Z, 10, up to 2, that is equal to 13 cards. This is also same. A, K, Q, Z, 10, 9, up to 2 by 13 cards. All this playing cards having different, this part actually color is not there. Okay, but I will show here. This one is equal to what? This one is equal to this one and this one. This one and this one. Okay, these two are red in color. These two are red in color. This one is red. This one is red. Clear? And this one is black in color. This one is black in color. Clear? This one is black in color. This is black. This is black. This is also black. Clear? Black, black. This is red, red. Now ready, start. So this is your playing cards. Different numbers are there. By the shuffling, you shuffling the cards. Then how will you do it? Suppose the probability of look here. This is the probability of A. So how many A's are there? 4 A's there. Our total card is this one. Total card is equal to 52 cards. So this is equal to A is equal to 4. So 4 by 52. Clear? The probability of A is equal to 4 by 52. The probability of K. The probability of K. Queen, king. K stands for king. Q stands for queen. J stands for jack. So this is a queen. That is equal to 4 by 52. The probability of Q, that is equal to 4 by 52. Clear? The probability of A, K, Q, then J. J is equal to, this is also 4 by 52. Like that, all will come. So out of this 3, do you know this one is equal to this 3? That is face card. This is equal to face card. and this is also face card, right? These are all are the face cards. Face cards. Face माने मुंह देखा जाए तो face था देखियो king रे मुंह था जो कार्ड रे प्लेइंग कर रहे king queen jack रे face ना था बस that is so that is equal to face cards. तो हम कहें probability of face cards. The probability of face cards. Probability of face cards. Clear? Face cards. What is the probability of face cards? Face cards से 3 3 6 3 9 3 12 12 out of 12 divided by out of 52. Clear? This is 52. The probability of a red face, red face, red face, red face, red face, red face, a red color face card, red color face card, red color face card, 3 red color face card 3 6 that is 6 out of 52. Clear? Red color 52. Similarly, probability of 10 4. Probability of spade 10 spade 10 that is equal to probability of spade 10 spade spade 10 spade 10 only 1 by 52. Clear? The probability of diamond king, probability of diamond king, probability of diamond king, that is diamond king 1 only 1 by 52. Clear? मैं बुझे तो मैं ऐसा ठीक ठाक बुझी गला तो ये वाला प्रोबेबिलिटी बाहरियो यार मेन इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट होला प्रोबेबिलिटी गोटे कोन पुणे असले कुछ टिके एटा वाश कर दुची हला पॉज कर लिखुची राइट रेडी suppose probability of asking find the probability. This is look at here, probability of an event, any event, probability of any event is equal to always greater than and smaller than 0 or equal to 0, greater than 1 or equal to 1. Clear? The any event either 0 or 1, not more than 1, not less than 0. Example, look at here. Suppose there is a bulb 1 2 3 4 red blue green yellow, correct? So what is a suppose blindly you pull a bulb, probability of red bulb chances kete red bulb 1 by 4. Clear? So 1 by 4 is equal to less than 1. This is equal to probability of green bulb 1 by 4. So probability of yellow bulb to 1 by 4. So what is the probability of red, blue, green, yellow, orange? What is the orange bulb? Here orange bulb not. That is 0 by 4. So answer 0. What is the probability of bulb? A bulb. What is the probability of bulb? That is equal to 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. That is equal to 100%. So eta 1 by 100%. Eta 0. So 0 to 1. It is all this probability value between 0 to 1, not more than 1. Okay, impossible. Clear? ये concept clear है? Next हमें जिबा तो इधर चला उनका probability of yes this है क्या? Then how can you calculate? This is the equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes you know equally. Suppose a head and tail of a coin. Equally likely outcomes. Same side 50% 50%. These are the equally likely outcomes. Some probability, some events are there, they are not equally likely outcomes. Just like red, blue, green, yellow, they are not equally likely outcomes. Okay. So maybe two may suppose this is also equal, maybe equal. Suppose red ball dita, blue ball gote, green ball gote. These are not equally likely outcomes. Okay. कुछ भी नहीं पारे. So equally likely outcomes नहीं. ये वाटर मन में equally likely outcomes are there. And उनका probability, what is the probability of 53 Sundays? 53 Sundays. उनको exercise भी डेबिट करी व्यस्त नहीं. Concept है यार. तापर हम discuss करेंगे. Probability of 53 Sundays in a leap year, in ordinary year. In ordinary year. 53 Sundays. Point of 53 Sundays in ordinary year. But ordinary year रे 53 Sundays का पायर chances कितने? Right? तो देखो ordinary year में कोई भी normally 365 clear? तो 365 रे 1 week रे गोटे Sunday आसुचे ना? तो मुझे देखो ये भी 7 रे divide करेंगे. तो 7 1 7 5 जा 35. Clear? 1 then 5 7 2 ja 14 then 1 तो ये 52 टा प्रत्येक 7 दिन रे गोटे संडे 7 दिन रे गोटे 7 दिन हाउ मेनी 7 डेज मतलब हाउ मेनी वीक तो हाउ मेनी 7 डेज मींस इन 365 डेज इन ऑर्डिनरी ईयर 365 डेज तो 52 संडेज आर देयर ये कंफर्म है बट one day left that day this day may be Sunday may be Monday may be Tuesday right तो may be Wednesday Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday may be Thursday may be Friday may be Saturday clear that visible okay this is up to Saturday तो ये तो one day ये one day रहेगा से one day का Sunday रे चांस थारे Monday रे चांस भी थारे Tuesday चांस भी थारे ताले Sunday जेतोळे ही गला ये तो 52 Sunday थिला प्लस गोटे ये मिसी की प्लस Sunday क्लियर तो Sunday भी 53 हेला यदि ये मिसिबो प्लस Monday हेले तो कोन होबो 53 Mondays किछ भी तो हमर Sunday रचना करिए तो 53 संडे रा चांसेस कहते हैं ना चांसेस है 1 थोड़े चांस अच्छे आउट ऑफ 7 क्लियर तो दिस इज इक्वल टू आंसर इज इक्वल टू 1/7 बुझिला नहीं 53 संडे रा चांस अच्छे 1 थोड़े मात्र चांस अच्छे आउट ऑफ 7 रा चांस थोड़े चांस 53 संडे रा 53 मंडे रा सेम 1/7 53 ट्यूसडे also 1/7 like that this is your all about the probability and don't worry for that probability so many other videos including example this is only the basic concept part of the videos okay so next part I'll discuss in next video okay so please subscribe the video and share the video and like if you understood the video clearly please like subscribe and share okay तो मैं सब्सक्राइब कर ले हमको के आगे इंटरेस्ट लाଗୁଛି पढ़ाया पे ହେଲା ଟିକେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ତାମାନେ ଯେହେତु ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ବା ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଗୋଟେ ଟିଚର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବଢ଼ିବ ହିଁ ବଢ଼ିବ ହେଲା ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବ ମୋର ଯାହା ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଅଛି ପାଇଯିବ ଆଉ ହଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କଥା ଯେ 9-10ର ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ କରୁନ ଜମା କରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ମୋ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ତୁମେ ଦେଖୁଛ ଭଲ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି ଫଲୋ କରୁଛ ହଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖିବ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝିଲ କ'ଣ ନାହିଁ ତୁମର ନିଜର ଓନ୍ ଭ୍ୟୁ ଦେବ ଭ୍ୟୁ ଦେଲେ ମୋର ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ମୋର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବଢ଼ିବ ମୁଁ ତାପରେ एक्स्ट्रा फोकस करके मु निश्चय पढ़ेबी हैला कमेंट कोन लेबो तो पॉजिटिव कमेंट हो नेगेटिव कमेंट हो सेटा मु जाननी कमेंट तो बड़ भलो पिला हिसाब रे भलो स्टूडेंट है भलो कमेंट दबो निश्चित भाव रे तुम भलो मोटिव सपोर्ट पाइबो ओके डेफिनेटली मन नता कथा बहुत आज इंपोर्टेंट कथा कहूची गोटे टीचर गोटे भलो टीचर तो यदि पाठ शिक्षा अछि डेफिनेटली ताको रेस्पेक्ट दवा सिख तुम पाठ शिखि जीव ऑटोमेटिक तुम ऑटो बढ़िया पाठ पढ़े दबो पूरा खुशी रे पढ़े दबो हैला ताको दी रेस्पेक्ट कर रेस्पेक्ट ठीक न दबो ताको भी अला करबो तो से पाठ जानते भी पढ़ेगा नीचे इंटरेस्ट होनी ओके दिस माय सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज सब्सक्राइब शेयर ऑल्सो लाइक ओके हाँ ओडिशा क्वेश्चन बैंक मोर डिजिटल ऐप अच्छे से ऐप रे डाउनलोड कर सब वीडियो पाइबो आ किछि एक्स्ट्रा कंप्लीटली होल चैप्टर वाइज डिस्कशन हो चैप्टर वाइज मोर पीडीएफ फाइल एक्सरसाइज भी तार टेस्ट पेपर्स सब गुड़ा है इंक्लूडिंग टू योर सिलेबस कोर्स प्लस कंप्यूटर सिलेबस प्लस अदर कोर्सेस जमती कि +2 +3 बीएससी एमएससी डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट रो एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन बैंकिंग रेलवे स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन फॉरेस्ट गार्ड सो मेनी एंड सिविल सर्विसेज ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल्स आल्सो exercise sorry all the examination and in different syllabus also there okay please also download the Odisha question bank application okay dita kam kara nischita bhare cover karuchi chesta karuchi okay thank you